What to do with a bunch of sticks, huh? Got all these sticks laying around. Look at this big old pile. A bunch of sticks, man. Alright, I got an idea for what to do with a pile of sticks. Yeah, and a bundle of sticks using a ratchet strap. Alright, I got this long stick to hook up. Gonna just get it on the end, maybe, or try to get it on there so that I can slide it underneath the bundle here. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna see if I can slide it under there. Oh, came off. Well, that's alright. I'm gonna roll the bundle onto it then. Pull this out. Alright. I got this other stick here. I'm gonna get under the bundle from the other side. Alright, I'm on the other side here. Gonna get this up underneath. Hopefully this stick is strong enough to roll this one. Nope. Maybe now it is. Nope. I'll just try to roll it by hand. There we go. We got this guy. Just gonna throw it on up over the top and alright, I'm gonna get the rest of the ratchet put together. Oh, actually I gotta find it down here under the bundle. Alright, I got my ratchet here. Close it up and feed that through here. Alright, I got it started. Gonna try to pull this through here. There we go. Got it through there. Gonna hook it up. Oh, I did it backwards. I gotta hook it through this way with the hook. Going towards the other hook, and I'll bring this piece up through here. Alright, there we go. Now it's through. Handles on top. Hooks facing the hook. Alright, got the hooks here. So, hook them together. And pull on this. I might actually hook this onto here instead. Alright. And then pull on this and cinch it up tight. Alright, I've been cinching it up tighter here. Got it up off the ground. I'm just cinching it up and keeping the ratchet right by where I'm working. Alright, and I'm going to start ratcheting it here. Alright, the problem with this little cheap ratchet strap is you can only ratchet it so far before it fills up. Alright, well, it started. Alright, so what I'm having to do is ratchet it up and then let all the tension out and then try to hold it in place and tighten it back up and ratchet it down some more and then release the tension and ratchet it down some more and keep doing that. Alright, so let me try to get this stick out of here, and I'll kind of use it for a height marker here of how how far down it's getting tightened. Alright, it's getting to be a little more. Alright, here it is, getting to be a little bit more. Alright, it's getting to be a little bit more. Let's see. It's getting so tight that I'm stepping on the slack here to ratchet it again and again. Finding that works pretty good. So I'm gonna hold the slack. Try to pull this. All right. Check this out. It's getting to be pretty tight in there, breaking some branches. Alright, I'm still going here, and before I let the slack off, I'm putting my foot up off the ground on this and holding the other end, and then when you release the tension, you can step down with your foot and hold it there, and then do it another round here. These are pretty tight on the back side here. About to be able to pull this whole bundle. Take up some more slack here. Open it up. Gotta open the ratchet strap up all the way, damn it. Can't do this with one hand on the camera. Alright. It's getting there. Alright. We're getting it more and more here. Alright. Whew. Alright. Is this getting tighter or what? Yeah. Alright, man. It's getting pretty tight here. I'm a little bit afraid of how much tension this bundle is putting on this strap. Make sure that that's secure. Looks pretty good, as long as the strap holds. But damn, shit's getting tight, dude. And check this out. Can do that, I guess. Alright, so it's getting pretty tight, dude. It's getting to the point that when I go to release the tension, I'm having to kind of really yank on this or hit it with something. Might be better to have a wrench on there, but just putting your foot on there, it's not enough. Gotta really see. I won't just let the tension go anymore. To get the tension to loosen up, I'm having to yank on it with both hands now. So it doesn't just come with one hand. Gotta hold on with both hands. Alright, and it's actually got to the point where it's bunching up on one side, and because I didn't straighten out this pile ahead of time or nothing, it's kind of, you know, a little bit cattywampus here, so it won't go any further. So I'm going to try to tie off this bundle, right? But it's pretty cool. You can just yank on this whole big bundle now. Alright, I got some rope here. Got a shorter piece and one with some clips on it. Alright, well, once I got it to this point, honestly, I considered just cutting it or tying it up. I'm going to try to tie it up, so I'll put that around it. Alright, I've got it around there. I'm going to tie it up and try to avoid the strap. Alright, I just did a shoelaces tie on there and maybe pull this end a little more through. But I'm going to try to release the tension now. Alright, I was able to break loose the tension here. So I'm going to take this thing apart and see if I can take the ratchet strap off. And see if this rope will hold it now. Alright, here we go. Ratchet strap stuck under there. Alright, where is it here? There we go. You got it. Pull that out of there. And voila. Nice packaged bundle of sticks. See how tight this is. That's pretty tight. And if you want to make these secure, I think you could just put them through here. Put the ends through there and I don't know. Alright. Big old bundle, bundled up super tight. I'm actually going to try to stand it up now so it's not taking up this entire 8 feet or so of ground space. Alright, well, I tried to stand it up. Here's that big old stick, but it's laying down in the wood, so whatever. At least it's bundled up.